Hi guys, welcome to the ElectraSyn video user guide. First off, we're going to show you what's included with the ElectraSyn and how to set it up from the box. So when you order ElectraSyn, it's going to come with this nice carrying case which you can use to transport it if you ever need to move it around the lab. And so let's go about open this up. So unlatch the latches here. And what we've included here is first off the actual ElectraSyn 2.0 main unit. We also have a vial that includes the vial cap, electrode holders, and then 2 graphite electrodes. We have the holster that actually holds the vial to the ElectraSyn and screws on via the bayonet attachment here. We have the stir bar attachment accessory. And over on the right hand side we have the power supply with a variety number of different power adapters depending on where you're going to use the ElectraSyn in different parts of the world.